Right, today we have a M57 twin turbo engine. Vacuum lines are perished. It's a BMW X5 2008. Taken off the inlet manifold, we have all new gaskets for it, and these lines here are being replaced. There's your vacuum pump, goes down underneath. It has 4 or 5, maybe 6 that come up, which go around to this. They go into solenoids here. There's a solenoid down there. I'm going to change all of the vacuum lines and hopefully we can get it back boosted. So these ones here, they are 10 mils, and then you have nuts down here. These are 11 mils. All the way across, pop off your throttle body, pull it back, and then pop it out. And I'll be back once it's out. So it is off. These here are the vacuum lines. You got 5. These need changing. These ones need, well, I'm going to change them anyway. Then we've got new seals to go on all here, so we're going to clean them up, because it looks like they've been leaking, which just means it's been throwing oil down there. But I think it's had a prior issue that someone's fixed. This end one here didn't have a seal on it, which is, either didn't have a seal or it's dropped down inside the engine. But it is very wet. Maybe there's one of these leaking here, but I'm going to spray it up, clean it all, get these vacuum lines done, see if we have boost. We have the inlet port turned upside down. As you can see, it's missing one. It's very oily, and I think the swirl flap delete plates are leaking, and this is how I bought the car. These ones aren't too bad. There's a bit of oil, the seals are a bit perished, not seated properly anyway, but I've got all new of these and all new of these to put on. I'm going to take these off. I've got gasket sealer, which I'm going to put around every one of them to seal them up properly. So this is one, I'm on the 4th one now, and it's just escaping past the seal. So what I'm doing is I got gasket sealer, use a bit of high temperature silicone gasket maker and sealer. So I'm just rubbing it around there, making sure it seals that gap. So once it's in, it shouldn't leak, because I didn't buy blanking plates, I didn't know if it had them or not. And I don't fancy like taking it off again, but this one they didn't put back in, so we had a air leak anyway. These two here and this one, so these 3 leaking really bad out of here. This one had a bit out of the seal, but it wasn't, I don't think it was leaking. But these 3 are terrible, so once I get it all back together, I'll get back to it. So as you can see, there's 6 new seals to go on here. All these are now done. You can see all the sealant gasket maker on there. I've got another 6 of these to put on here. They may not be leaking, they don't look great, but if it's coming off, it's having new ones anyway. So it was £35 for all them seals from GSF. They sell it as a kit. I didn't ask for the blanking plates, they was already on this before I started. So you just pull them up, and as you can see, they're pretty well covered in oil. There's oil all around there, but I'm pretty sure these were leaking and they're going in there. So we're going to clean all of that up, every one of these, take off, spray and brake cleaner, ignore the mess, spray and brake cleaner over all of these, give them a clean, new ones in, back on the car. As you can see, the first one is on, and look how much better that's looking, sticking out a lot more. These ones are well gone, perished, not sticking out as much as they should be, so it's a good job we're changing these. So each one of these, I had to use a pick tool to get them out, covered in oil, probably been used more than once, so there's oil in each one of these. You're going to spray it out, get the brake cleaner in there, and put each one of these new ones in. So as you can see, all new gaskets, sealed around the swivel flap delete plates. Now let's go get it on the car. So it's going back on. The 10mm are in, which are these, not tightened yet, and these 11mm nuts. So what I'm doing, I got a magnetic screwdriver because I can't find my magnet. Let's see, have I got any more? So there's a nut. So you put your screwdriver in there like that. As we can see, go down in and you can get him started like that. That's now in there. You don't have to use grease in the socket. It'd be nice if the sockets were magnetic, but let me get the rest of these on, get it all buttoned up, and then see where we stand. It's now all back together. Just gonna wait half hour, make sure that sealant's dry for the gaskets, then we're gonna start them up and see if we got full boost.